If you have ever tried to feed PDFs into LLMs, you've probably run into broken Markdown. Introducing Docproc, you take any kind of file format and then transform them into clean Markdown with full data retention. It works by smartly picking components of your document and then passing them through proper extraction models to get what you need. So here I am in my downloads folder where I have a bunch of files related to my coursework, and I want to convert these into Markdown files. So let's just pick this PDF, that's what we need. Let's just do docproc, file, show, the PDF, let's just do MD. So we can see that this current file has been processed. And now if I open the same, we can see the pages, the name of my instructor, which I'm gonna blur out. And we have the course material, we have the syllabus, every description of all figures and proper equations. And this is what Docproc is in its core. And the real power of Docproc is what we are about to see right now. So this is the true power of Docproc to use in a knowledge ecosystem per se. So this specific demo is something I've written inside the same repository called Docproc Edu, where I have the workspace for my same course and I have the chat for the same thing. And I've uploaded a few documents that have already finished processing just to save time. Now I have my chat interface here where I can talk and then I can ask the same model to explain what's going on in my document. Let's just say, can you describe polarization second order? So it's gonna search all of my documents and then it's gonna give me the proper retrieval augmented generation that we need. Now I can do the same thing with an assessment. So if I wanted to create an assessment, let's just say standard assessment out of all documents, and then I generate my test, we can see that it makes a bunch of questions and answer boxes for me, and I can answer all of this the way I want to. For now, let's exit out of it. And you can also see I can modify my sources. I can make a bit more of flashcards, which we will see in like a second. I can study my flashcards. We got a nice little ambient lighting going on back there. And we have a full deck of flashcards, and let's just say it's completely random how many it generates given the amount of content we have. Under the hood, all it's doing is taking our Markdown and then embedding it and then giving it to an RAG. And that's Docproc in a nutshell. If this was useful, check out the GitHub link in the description and do let me know your thoughts. And if you have contributions, please feel free to open a PR.